This South African individual has to be protected at all cost. He's smart, he's brilliant. My plea to everybody is to listen to the guy talking some sense.
Guys, how are you again? You can listen to what I'm going to say now if you want. If you don't want, you can shut up. That's crawl. When the March and March started, they said that the reason we are unemployed in South Africa is because the foreigners are taking our jobs. Ne? And some of you said, yes, the reason I'm sitting at home not having a job is because of the foreign nations. No, so I need to strike. I need to support Jacinta so I can get a job. There's the plan. There's the movement. Now, 500 Ghanaians left. It means we have 500 jobs somewhere. We don't know where. 2,000 or 3,000 are sitting there in Cape Town, meaning we have 2,000 jobs available. And others are also leaving, meaning the job spaces are now more. Now, here is my question to the South Africans. Was March and March leaders not supposed to now say, guys, we see the media is saying that 5,000 Ghanaians have left, meaning that we have 5,000 jobs available. Meaning from the people who are striking with us, 5,000 needs to go and occupy those jobs. We have almost 2,000 people sitting in Cape Town, meaning there are 2,000 jobs that are open for us. We need to go to these companies and make sure that you guys occupy these spaces, because these companies are going to close. This is our plan. I know someone will come and say, no, we cannot occupy the jobs immediately. I don't know why they will say that. But for me, it will make sense for, okay, there are 5,000 spaces. Now we need to locate these companies and we need to put these people in those places. Now here is my turning point, or something that I don't understand. Jacinta is saying nothing about that. She's not saying, she's saying nothing about the foreigners that already have left, the foreigners that are sitting there, and the jobs that they have left. There's nothing they are saying about occupying those spaces. The only thing that Jacinta is saying is that we keep on striking. So, for my understanding, it will be whether there is spaces open for you South Africans. We don't care. We're going to strike. The plan is to make sure all the foreign nationals leave this country. The plan is not for you to go to work. Because if she starts telling you that there are spaces out there, the March and March group will become lesser. And there's not a plan. The plan is to make sure that we march until the votes come. Because why would Jacinta say, from now on we're going to march every Thursday? Can you guys make me understand why is she now saying that from now on we are going to march every Thursday? When there is a lot of jobs that are empty, that needs to be filled. I need for you guys to explain that to me. And the other thing that I need you guys to explain to me is that the government has said we're going to make something, we are starting to make something about that problem. Give us time. Obviously, they are acting on what you are fighting for. So what is this thing of, no, we're not stop. We're not going to stop striking. We're going to continue striking until all the foreign nationals are out. Now, here is my 2 cents. I know I don't have a degree, I don't have a diploma, but here is my 2 cents. This thing was planned by Zuma and whoever is on their side. Or you know what? This is what you are going to do. You are going to come out as a neutral person. You are going to tell these people, you are marching for them. You are marching for them. These people must leave. Abahambe. All the parties that we will make sure that you must first make sure that you get them on your side. As a neutral someone, you're gonna tell them you don't have a party. You are doing it as a neutral person because the government is not listening to you. As the strike goes on, and you see it is gaining momentum, and maybe you have a lot of supporters. Now you're gonna start introducing MK party. But how you are going to introduce it? You are going to criticize the parties that are not joining you. The parties that are not supporting March and March. You're going to start showing them. You see AFF is against March and March. You see PA is against March and March. You see DA is against March and March. But you don't talk about MK party. As it gaining momentum, you're going to start saying now, which parties are you guys going to vote for when the votes come? You now saw and realize the parties that are not supporting you as South Africans. Automatically, who must you vote for? You must vote for the parties that supported the march. Which are those parties that supported the march? It's MKP and Action SA. Hey, these people will play with us. And we keep on falling for the same trap. Each and every time there's votes, we keep on falling for the same trap. Didn't Jacinta say she is not part of politics because she has a problem with the politicians? The party that Jacinta wants us to vote for is the same party that is number 2. It's in GNU. They are part of the government right now. They are part of our problem. They are the reasons why there are foreigners in South Africa, because they have power. They have ministers in the government. Now Jacinta is actually saying that we must not vote for EFF, we must not vote for ANC, we must not vote for PA, because they are the corrupt ones, because they are the ones who are making these people come to South Africa. But vote for MK party, because MK party is the one that is saying these people must leave. The same MK party that has a lot of seats in the government. No, I respect Zuma. President, I understand when they say someone who comes in out of jail, he can change all his ways, but the mindset will never change. And he will always use that mindset, the jail mindset. He will always use it. He is just going to use it on an illegal platform. He's going to use the same mindset, but he's going to use that mindset legally, in the right way. But he will still be a criminal. These people are playing with us, and we are letting them play with us. Every time there are votes, someone comes with some plan. The last time was Dayton, who did the same thing. And people voted for him. Now he's the same Dayton who is insulting you and saying that he is not marching. Now, Jacinta comes with a better plan. Anyways, as a South Africa, it's your choice to vote for whoever you vote for. It's your choice to follow whoever you follow. So, good luck. I hope you make a right choice from today. Thank you.